trouble, a wise man once said, but I'll not complain, for I'm broke and I'm fair. But many's the trial my wants and my dreams could be through, and the only real peace that I have, dear Lord,